Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Class Remotely, and this is Mehjabeen. Today I'm going to explain to you the basic difference between for and since. When to use for? We use for in a sentence when we count the duration of time, that is the length of time. I have a bunch of 6 sentences here. Let's take a look at each one of them. Sentence number 1. My sisters dance for an hour every day. For how long? For an hour every day. They are cycling for 2 hours today. My cousin has lived in the countryside for a long time. Renuka has been living in Shillong for 6 months. Brian taught at Greenwood School for 2 years. Mom will be out of station for at least a fortnight. So for an hour every day, for 2 hours today. So this is the duration. We are talking about the duration of time. So each of the above sentences answers the question which starts with for how long. For example, if the question is, for how long do your sisters dance every day? So you can give the answer like this. My sisters dance for an hour every day. Now when to use since? We use since to indicate the starting point of actions or events. So we have 2 sentences here. Let's take a look. I have been cooking since morning. We have known each other since February last year. So since morning, since February last year. So each of the above sentences answers the question which starts with when. That means when did you start cooking? If the question is something like this, then you can give the answer as I have been cooking since morning. So that is the basic difference between for and since. For refers to the duration of time. We have duration of time here. For an hour every day, for 2 hours today. Then for a long time, for 6 months, for 2 years, for at least a fortnight. So in each of these sentences, we are talking about the duration of time. Then what is since? In since we are trying to indicate the starting points of actions or events. Since morning, since February last year. So each of the above sentences, these answer the questions which will start with when. So that's all for today. This is a very short video. Thank you so much for being with me. Consider subscribing to this channel and check out the playlist. I also have another YouTube channel where I explain all kinds of popular English poetry. Do check it out if you are looking for poetry explanations. Subscribe to that channel as well. You will find the link in the description box below. Meet you again very soon. Do take very good care of yourself. Bye.